Saturn does not ask us to give up, but it demands more dedication. Hello friends, Namaskar. My name is Suresh Srimali. Welcome to our channel Astro and Numero with Srimali. May all your wishes get fulfilled in 2021. Today I will tell you about the effect of Saturn combustion. Firstly, I would like to tell you more about Saturn. In Vedic astrology, Saturn means Shani, which moves slowly, that is Shane Shane Chale Jo Shanishchar. This name is given because of its slow movement. It is placed at a great distance, and because of this distance, we see it moving slowly. Placement of Saturn has its dual effects. If placed in a beneficial sign, it gives lots of health, wealth, and fame. In adverse conditions, gives loss, poverty, sorrow, and hurdles in life. Now, let me tell you about what combustion is. Combustion of a planet is an event which is said to be caused when such a planet comes within certain degrees of closeness to the Sun. The planet that comes closer to the Sun, they lose some of its strength and becomes weak. In today's video, I will be telling you about the combustion of Saturn. Saturn combusts when it comes within 15 degrees of on either side of the Sun. Saturn will set in Capricorn on 7th of January 2021 and will remain till 9th of February, means 33 days. It is advisable that most auspicious functions are not to be performed in this period. Let's move on to the effect of Saturn combustion on the natives of Aries. You should take your work and domestic responsibilities more seriously. You may have to work for extra hours to complete the work before the deadline. Your family members may fall sick, so take good care of their dietary habits. Pending work due to laziness and lack of planning can take a toll on your health. Students are advised to avoid useless gossip and focus more on studies. Try to maintain balance between your work and relationship. Bringing work pressure at home can cause some problems in your married life, personal life. There may be some extra expenses, so spend accordingly. Let's move on to Taurus. This position of Saturn will be responsible for luck to the natives of Taurus. You may argue with your parents, so you are advised to take your responsibilities seriously. You will enjoy a good time with your family, friends, or partner. You need to think before you speak. You should not promise to someone if you won't be able to fulfill it. Your work will be appreciated in the office, but there are chances of you getting in trouble. Avoid being lazy, otherwise all important tasks will be left out and the flow of money will also be tight. Let's move on to Gemini. Many of your actions and tasks will become words. Plan properly before starting any new venture. Your economical condition will become bad due to the influence of Saturn. Your past saving and investments will help to improve your finances. You may go on an abroad trip or somewhere else with your family, partner, friends. You are advised to be careful while driving or traveling. Your pending work related to land and property done successfully. While making a deal in business, read the papers properly. You should take the advice of experts before taking any decisions related to land. You may suffer from disease related to skin or stomach. Let's move on to Cancer. You will become lazy due to the effect of Saturn. Hence, you won't be able to participate in any important task. If you always feel stressed for some apparent reason, hence, you need to take care of it. You may suffer from mental instability. If you do business, you need to take decisions very carefully in the starting. There is a possibility of loss for you. You may go other city, foreign for work purpose. You need to be careful while driving a vehicle or traveling. Let's move on to Leo. You will get success in all your ventures of life due to the auspicious transit of Saturn. Students, artists, and players are advised to do hard work in order to get success. You will get rid of any chronic disease that you were suffering from a long time. Taking proper care of your diet will help you achieve good health. You will experience good physical and mental health because of continuous yoga and meditation. Change of job is advisable for your financial growth. You may meet your older friends. Let's move on to Virgo. You may make a big decisions regarding the education of your children. Take advice from others if you are planning to start your own business. You have to face challenges during your employment or at work front. If you are planning to invest, then invest in the stock market, real estate, cosmetics, cloth industry, or leather industry. Students, artists, and players will be desired results if they focus on their work. You will get the support of your parents that will help you in your work. Let's move on to Libra. If you are thinking of doing any business, then you may come across lots of opportunities. Your economical condition will improve due to good profit in the business. You need to stay away from being egoistic as it can ruin the good opportunities coming in your way. Due to the slow motion of Saturn, you may argue with your family. You may suffer from problems related to stomach and skin. You may go to somewhere else, foreign lands, or on a business trip. Let's move on to Scorpio. If you are planning to invest, then invest in business related to a vehicle, cosmetic, real estate, and perfumes, etc. Expansion of your business may give you good results. You may get promoted because of your good performance at your workplace. There are chances of getting married to your partner. You may face some problems related to stomach and digestion. You may get a little distracted from your study. To avoid this, do meditation. A student preparing for competitive exams may get successful if they pay proper attention to their studies. Let's move on to Sagittarius. You will gain double benefits for your business or job. Your financial condition may get worse, so work hard and try to add some bankable amount. You may plan on spending some money on the education of your kids. You may gain profit from areas related to land and property. Think before taking any decision related to education or career. You will get support from your father in the financial area. Also, he will support your business. Let's move on to Capricorn. Your health will get affected due to this Saturn combust. You may also face some heart or high blood pressure related problem. To avoid this, continue yoga and meditation. Your work will gain praise in office. Due to that, your confidence will boost and you will climb easily on the ladders of success. If you are doing business in partnership, then you should be careful this time. You may go on a short trip with your partner and family. You may buy a new house or office. Let's move on to Aquarius. There might be arguments with your life partner or for any reason. If you are unmarried, then you may get marriage proposals and good companion. Your financial condition will be good and you may plan to buy a house or a vehicle. You will earn well through foreign business. You should take care of your health and include pulses and green vegetables in your diet. Students will get better opportunities for their academic growth. Stay connected with your teachers and mentors for better guidance. You may plan a trip to hilly areas. Take precautions while traveling. Let's move on to Pisces. Business persons may get an opportunity to expand their venture and earn profit. People working in the private and government sector may earn good profit. Unemployed people have a chance of getting a job at a good place. You may get a chance to show your talent at the workplace. If you don't pay proper attention to the diet, then you may face stomach and throat related problems. Maintain a hygienic environment around yourself. Now I am giving you some remedies which can give you better results. Feed jaggery or grass to cow. Donate black color clothes to needy persons. Gift dark chocolate to your friends. Do meditation for at least 30 minutes. However, this was just a generalized forecast. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic or video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp on given number or drop your queries in the comment box. At the end of this video, I wish that this combustion of Saturn may be fruitful for all of you. Thanks a lot for watching us. Namaskar, take care, bye bye.